Welcome back, guys, CryptoFollow channel. Congrats everybody who's still here and who survived that yesterday dump. So take a look. The October 10, the dump was 10%, 52. And yesterday dump was 15% in one daily candle. Imagine, this is a historical moment. Again, new historical moment. So BTC never dumped in one single day over than 10K. So it's kind of mind-blowing. And the people still think, no. This cycle is not different. First, guys, you have to realize the cycles never even exist. And all BTC maxes now absolutely wrecked with their old patterns. And we will see the new and the new and the new patterns. And once again, everybody now waiting. So we have to, like in the previous cycles, dump 75%. We already dumped 52, around 52. Like this one on BTC USD on a beat stump, 52%. So 75 should be around here, 29K, around 30K. Do you think we're going to drop to 30K? Maybe. Who knows? Nobody knows the future, right? But I think next cycles, I explained it a million times, next cycles, we will drop less and the pump less. So BTC will be, if this stock will still exist on the markets, will be less volatile. So we will see something like this one. And after maybe the few years, we'll see some perform like a gold did this time, maybe because some new geopolitical stuff around. But now we get what we get. So weekly time frame, what we can see next, because guys, you'll be surprised, but we dump it to the buy line on the daily time frame. It's kind of weird, but take a look. 29 alerts just recently. The buy line link, buy signal on others, a lot of signals here, guys. So I recommend you just not skip the videos. Add the same alerts like I did, or add some alerts to your favorite tokens, because it's impossible to post the videos and to share all ideas, for all tokens. But sometimes it's the best option. Just add alerts and wait. And nobody could even imagine. So we're going to drop to the weekly, the buy line. But take a look, the reaction. Perfect reaction at a buy line on the weekly, and just a few cents. We didn't drop on buy line on the daily. This one, 59,758. Can we drop again? Yes. Maybe on the Binance USDT, on the Binance. Also, come on. Just a few dollars. So the point was like 59,800 and the lowest point was 59,759. It's kind of weird, guys. So maybe on some exchanges we already dumped it. That's why, guys, it's not random. That's why I recommend you just add alerts and track it. Here it was a kind of oversold moment when we tested the exit line again. Now we dump it here. So what next? Do I believe still in the 139K for BTC? Basically, yes. Yes, nothing changed. And it can be the new all-time high, and after that, we can drop it down. So nobody could even imagine. So the gold after the new all-time high will perform again. So we can't know. But it's just the most positive case scenario for BTC 139. This fee we tracked since 2022. I guess from here, from the May. So top, support, 27 block, and we skyrocket to the main targets. Now we retested the buy line on the weekly. What should be next? We can rebound. Guys, take a look at the monthly. Also, we retested, yesterday I posted the video, so we retested the exit line above. So it just was so obvious. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 months in a row down. And most likely what we can see, it's a bounce to this monthly block. This is a monthly gap. What we're going to retest now or a little bit later. So we can rebound to 94, 95K or 103. when we will rebound, I think it can be the confirmation or something of this one. And if we reject, it's going to be the confirmation of the downtrend to 35K, for example, to the bottom, to the buy line on the monthly time frame. You can hate it, you can love it, but you can adjust alerts, buy line on the monthly, just wait. And one day you'll be surprised because one day it's click and you will see the notification about a buy line on the monthly. Where till that time will be the line? I don't know. Maybe it's August 28. It can be like 35, 42, 25. We can't know. All lines are dynamic. But if we will see this type of price action on the monthly time frame, it can be the confirmation of the continuation of the downtrend. Why? Because we basically break the structure on the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame and the weekly. Can we see another leg up to lines also dynamic? Take a look at the take profit line 119K 659. Exit line go a little bit higher, 135. So can we see something like this one, for example, and the exit line will be around here and we retest it again and go down in April 27 or this spring, for example? Yes, it's possible. Any case scenario, guys, is possible. But the key moment now is to check, are we rebound from current prices or we just go into hell to 0.5 level by FIBs 47K 228. Why this level? Because this is a FIB. What we tracked before, this is going to be the monthly gap. Also here, this one liquidity sweep of August 24. So possible. I don't want to dive in now into why BTC dump. The one and only answer, because it can. The people just can't sell the high risky bubbles. So BTC is not a hedge and never been a hedge, So I don't know why the people trap it with all of this fancy story about BTC is something special. It's just speculative asset, nothing more. The altcoins even worse. So, do I buy BTC now? No. Maybe I will buy at the buy line on the monthly. So that time it's going to be the confirmation for me to buy BTC. All right. Any other alerts triggered or not? Let's double check. So yesterday we add also the alerts. Finally, guys, I hope it's confirmed. Take profit. Yesterday it's blinking, and weekly time frame. Now we see that take profit signal. Would the positive case, guys, if, for example, this is a take profit signal, and the next week we open with the buy signal or a like triangle up and go higher. Last time when we saw the signal take profit on weekly, it was here, June 22. After that, you know what happened. So if we not see the FTX collapse, we could rebound, drop it down, and if it was not like a scam of FTX, we could pump higher from that levels. So if the history repeats, we can just bounce, for example, to this gap, 86, consolidate in the range, or sweep the low, and after that rebound to the new all-time high. And it looks like the new structure will start building for the next leg up. So honestly, for me personally, would be much better to see the signal to buy and bounce to this area, and after that we need to double check: are we consolidate and recover move, or we just reject at a monthly block and going down? So this is going to be the point of decision, and I guess we will see that levels over than 100K is going to be once again that total A3 about a BTC, and which will be the point of decision. Everybody gonna fix the profit. 100 people will open the short position, and we will see. We will see what's going on that time at this monthly block. So now at least we can see the confirmation of the take profit on the weekly. Take a look at the ADZ direction. Yesterday I showed you. So we formed the divergency now. So this is a divergency, right? And it's basically a positive case scenario. no signal for accumulation like it was in here in September 22. So just wait. I recommend you also just add alert to trade direction indicator and wait. Market smooth. Imagine we are traded 64K and we are since January, middle of January in capitulation zone. Capitulation zone was here. So if you've been here, you remember the sentiment around and what's happened next. So pretty good one. Monthly we're still just like in a positive. So I think the next stage is going to be the hopium and the disbelief. It would be good to see the disbelief. By the way, yesterday I saw some market smooth indicator capitulation zone. Sum of capitulation. Metal price line, take profit line. Here, H bar on the monthly time frame, H bar in the capitulation zone. Imagine we add that alerts, guys. Wow, I don't know when. We track it. That's that data from December, I guess. Where that one? Again, here's capitulation. So in January we added. Wow, nice one. So a lot of alerts, guys. So I'll recommend you just rewatch the videos and check, or just check your alerts if you add it. So the money power, guys, monthly, no data, but here we passed the middle line, so soon we will see the bottom. Weekly time frame, some money inflow. Yes, this week the money inflow. So at least for rebalance, it's more than okay. And the take profit I showed you and trade on I showed you. So guys, if you'd like to trade with my customer, because I would have showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time.